Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alejandra. Today we are going to be doing a different unboxing. So I hope you guys are excited and let's get this started. First, let's just admire this boxing. Guys, this boxing is so cute. I will be saving this box. Has a Dodo Airlines in the back. I love this. I will be saving this. Okay, enough chit chat. Let's unbox this. Tells you the steps on how to set it up. Oh my god. I love this. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's take out the Joy-Cons. This green is so pretty. Oh my god. Let's take it out. Yo, this is so pretty. I'm gonna have to get another set of Joy-Cons because I don't want to break these. Because these are special edition. I don't think they're going to be selling these separate. I hope that they do. Nintendo, y'all need to sell these separate. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get me a set of another Joy-Con set. Let's put those off to the side and let's open up the actual Switch. I'm going to show you guys the back side of it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, nothing too fancy about that. My goodness, look at the print. And you can't even, when you do this, oh, yeah, you can feel it. Okay, I guess you can feel it. It is so pretty. Can you see the little villagers, the palm trees, and the seashells? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I was really second guessing on getting this. Let's do this. I will show you guys a dock later because that is something. Save the best for last. And the Joy-Con straps. This one's a blue one. And the green, the mint green. Looks like a minty green. And the sand, the color of the sand. It's so pretty. Of course, the instructions. TV cord. And the charger. I have so many of these, it's crazy. Oh, save the best for last. Controller, it's where you can connect your Joy-Cons to. I wish they had the same design, put the same design on the controller. That would have looked so nice. But I'm not going to complain. I know Nintendo will not do that. I mean, you never know. And here it is, y'all. The dock. Oh my god, the dock. The dock. Let's open this dock. Oh, come on. I don't want to rip this. See this beautiful dog. Oh my god. Look at Tom Nook. This is so cute. And you can see the Nintendo Switch logo on top. The back, this is where you connect your cords. And I I did have accessories with these. Now, let's put on these accessories. Before we put on these accessories, I did get 128 gigabyte for my Switch. I don't think I'm gonna need this much. My boyfriend tells me I'm not gonna need this much, but you may never know. So I'm gonna put that on later. And let's open this package. Now I did get these accessories, my screen protector and the case off of Nyko. I think that's where I got it. I am so bad on where I purchase things. I do apologize, guys. But once I open this, you will see. They literally tape this thing on. I'll be right back, and then we'll put on the accessories. Now we got it open. That was a little difficult. They literally packaged this. See? All right. Let's put this off to the side. Put this in here. What's this? Oh, this is dope. Look what they gave me. They gave me a free stand. Oh, cool. That's dope. Okay, put that down. All right. Let's put on these accessories. I've been saying that the past minute. Alex, shut up and put on the accessories. All right. I'm going to put on the screen protector. No, I'm going to show you guys how to put on the screen protector. Y'all, this literally took me almost 5 minutes just to put on, because whenever I tried to wipe it, it kept like leaving little smudges, and you can see my daughter going back and forth. Yeah, it kept like leaving little smudges, and that was kind of like, am I doing this right? And yeah, I was kind of anxious on putting this on. And right here, I kind of got a little air bubble and I was trying to take it out. Thankfully, I did. Y'all, that literally almost took me 5 minutes for me to put the screen protector on. Right. Let's get on with the case. Like that. Oops. Alrighty. Just hopefully that this is a little sturdy. Oh! If this came with a screen protector, I'd be pretty sad. Watch it come with a screen protector. Screen protector. I hope this did not come with a screen protector. Did it really? Please tell me it didn't. I think it did. It did. Okay, it gave me. I have 2 screen protectors. I'm not even gonna be mad at that. Alright, guys. Let's put on the screen protector. I mean, this case. Take these off. Very quick. Set those off to the side. That there's nothing in the back, because it does irritate me a little bit that there's something in the back. Okay. I don't think that was a great idea for me to do. Okay, now let's put this on. Okie dokie. Alright. I am really confused. Okay, I'm not confused anymore. Yes, okay. Okay, I think you're supposed to hear like a snap. Oh. Isn't that what I'm supposed to be hearing? Is a snap? Okay. I'm not even gonna be mad at that. Alright guys, let's put on this screen protector. I mean this case. Take these off. Really quick. Set those off to the side. Ooh. I said be careful and look what I'm doing. this since launch day. So I'm actually pretty blessed that